had a couple of requests for me to show how I make these fermented jalapenos, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. Since I'm going to be doing it today, wear gloves. You don't want to end up burning your hands. I have all of my jalapenos in my sink soaking, and this is just to wash them because there's a ton. And then my setup, I have a big towel over here. I'm just going to put them on the towel, let them dry, and then chop them up and put them in jars and do the salt brine and all that. We have to... Well, the next step is we're going to be chopping up these jalapenos, and again, totally recommend you wear gloves, otherwise your hands could be stinging later on. We're going to start out by chopping these and filling your jars. A good thing to have with you is a discard bucket or something. I'm just giving everything that we're discarding to the pigs, the stems as well as the jalapenos that are bad. Jalapeno I need to cut up, and then we move on to the second phase. All right, I have 2 quarts of water, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. So it's 1 tablespoon per quart when you make your brine. And just give that a stir. Just trying to get a lot of the salt dissolved. All right, a cool trick I want to show you, if you want to speed up the process of fermenting things, you can add some brine from something else you have. I have some sauerkraut, and I'm just going to add a little bit. It doesn't take a lot. And now that's inside the brine, and we're going to add it to my jalapenos here. I have these cabbage leaves that I'm going to use to cover the jalapenos to keep them submerged under the water. And basically what I'm going to do is do that to all of these right now before I add the brine. You want to close these so that there's still room for air to get out and escape, because these are fermenting and it creates gases. Because I added the brine from the sauerkraut into these jars, my fermentation is only going to take 2 days. But if you don't use that, it'll probably only take 3 days. And then I'm going to remove the cabbage and just put them in my refrigerator. But basically, this is it. It is not a hard process. It's super easy. You can even make small jars. I mean, you could buy like 10 jalapenos and put them in basically 1 pint jar and ferment it and put it in your fridge when you're done. But when they come out, they taste awesome. I mentioned that they taste like pickled jalapenos basically, and sometimes they're spicy, sometimes they're mild. It just depends on which one you get, but I like these hot. And if you do, you will enjoy these. Otherwise, find yourself some mild jalapenos and you'll enjoy them too. You'll know they're done when they look like this. They start getting this cloudy look. Some people will maybe like to ferment them a little bit longer, but I like mine just when they start tasting like pickles. And they basically look like pickles that you get in a jar at the store, except you might see some like more green versus some that are a little lighter. And I had my daughter taste them earlier and she said they were really spicy, so I'm looking forward to this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.